Hey mga ka-road trip, thank you for visiting the channel once again. Of course, this is Roy from your Road Trip Boys channel. And in this episode, we are going to unbox. This is the first time we're going to unbox something in this channel. Alright, so before we go into that, the first question I wanted to throw it out dyan sa inyo is, are you the type who likes gadgets, no, in your motorcycles? Because this is actually a gadget, an all-in-one gadget. I ordered one online so we can try. This is something na alternative para you can keep your phone inside your pocket while you can enjoy Android Play, and your navigation. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, of course, no, this video is not sponsored, so we can throw out yung ating honest opinion in this product. All right. So, let's first unbox. Talos nung cutter natin. Tumagos. So, safety first. Okay. So, it's actually a dashcam, wireless touchscreen interface with cell phone connectivity for motorcycles. So, here it is. Ito yung packaging niya. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So, may memory card siya. It comes with a memory card. Now, I ordered this to go with the device. So, you can order this separately if you don't need one. This is the manual. And this is the device. Okay. So, looks like everything's here. Wow. Looks neat, huh? Now, the size is about 5 inches eh. I don't have the exact size, but from how I recall in their specs, this is a 5-inch monitor, no? Okay, so everything's inside. Here are yung brackets that you can use for mounting. Let's put this back inside. So like I said, this is yung mga mounting tools niya for TPMS niya. You have camera 1. See that? Medyo malaki yung camera niya. You have camera 2. There it is. You have cables for cameras. You have the power cable. Okay, waterproof box. Waterproof power box. Okay. Goes directly into your battery, and I believe this is the relay, no? So when your it has a safety that if the battery voltage goes down, it will automatically stop pulling out the power from the battery, so you can still have a way to start your motorcycle, so you don't get discharged. This is the hood, that comes with it goes on top of the the monitor, no? Nice. USB. You have the bracket that goes to the motorcycle, no? And the tire pressure monitoring devices. You have the F front and R rear. Okay, so that's everything inside the box. We don't have anything else, and yeah, I think it's complete. We are yet to install this, we are yet to test this, so more on this, watch out for the installation procedures, and yeah, we'll see how we can install it to our Bristol Venturi 500. Thank you all. That's about it for the unboxing. Watch out for the installation and until the testing, no? We will release a separate video for the installation and the testing. All right. Thanks again, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And go check out my other videos. I hope you enjoy all of the videos that is in this channel. All right. Thank you again, and see you on the installation. Bye.